Have you been wanting to sell printable planners, but it just seems so overwhelming trying to put something together with maybe 100 pages and all of these elements? If so, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a super easy way that you can make your own planners in minutes and upload them to Amazon KDP, Etsy, your Shopify store, anywhere you want to sell them. Printable planners are a great seller on Etsy. You can make planners for all different kinds of things, and they sell for more than a few dollars usually, so it's a higher cost item, which means more money for you. You can also sell planners on Amazon through KDP, and the customer will actually get a printed book. So you can make one planner and sell in both places. Plus, if you have a Shopify store, sell your printable planner in there as well. The reason why planners are so great for selling is because they actually help people with a problem. So people are seeking help for something. The best products are ones that help people with an issue that they're having. So get specific with your planners. You don't want to do like just a general yearly planner or something like that. I mean, you can, but I would go into more specific areas where people need help with a specific problem, and it'll be a lot easier to sell them. So I'm going to take you over to my computer and I'll show you just how to do this really easily. Okay, so the first place I'm going to start is Creative Fabrica, and I want to find a template for a specific kind of planner. So I'm going to do a budget planner, and then I'm going to put in Canva because I want to find Canva templates. So you can see here that there are a bunch of different ones, so you can just choose one. So I want to find one that has kind of a lot of pages. So this one looks like it has quite a few pages. This is just one template in 5 different colors, it looks like. And then this one looks like it has quite a few pages. I'm going to click into this one. So this one has 12 different planner pages, it looks like. So we'll go with that one. So I'm just going to download it. And if you guys don't have Creative Fabrica, there's a link in my description to this video for a free trial so you can try it out. So you can actually play around with some of these templates and see if you like them. And then this is a zip file, so I'm going to need to open it and extract the files. So just click extract all. So what I need here is the Canva link because I want to use it as a template. They have the JPEG, the PDF, the PNG. You could use those and pull those into Canva, but you won't be able to probably change a lot of the things, and I want to be able to customize this. So I'm going to go to the Canva link. Okay, so then it tells you who it was created by, and you just click Use Template. So I will change the way this first page looks, but I want to work on the rest of the file first. So I'm just going to scroll down and see how it looks here. I want to customize this a little bit. They've got all different fonts in here and all kinds of different things. So I want this all to kind of flow so that it looks like it goes together. So as you see, I can click on the fonts. I can change the font to whatever I want. So I'm going to leave this one Alice, but when I go through, I'm going to make sure to change all the rest of them as well. So I'm going to change this color scheme a little bit. So I think I'm going to go with this color here, which is actually in one of the images, but I think that'll look good. And then I'll leave those black. So you want to be careful when you, like if you're changing these little fonts, be careful that they don't end up like getting a lot bigger or something and messing up the whole thing. Now you can actually use this just the way it is if you want. You don't have to change the colors or anything. You could just leave it just the way it is and you can sell it like that. But I like to make things more custom. So when I go to change the color of one of these here, it asks me if I want to change all of the things that are this color to the color I just chose. So I'm going to actually do that because I want that to happen across all of the pages if there's something that color. So you can see it changed all of these dots. Okay, so now I want to make sure this font is Alice. Yes, it is. And then I want to select this box in the back because I don't want that color. So you can see on all these pages, it's changed the colors that I changed before. So I'm going to change this to notes because notes seems weird. And then I'm going to change this to the same font as the rest of the document. So in just a few minutes here, I've actually got myself a planner that I can sell. Now you can make multiple pages. If you want to duplicate a page, all you have to do is click this little plus sign with the page and it'll make another copy of that. If you want to move the pages around, you can move them down and up with these arrows here. Now, one thing I want to show you that you cannot do is if you go to this design tab in Canva and you put in budget planner, you're going to see all of these pages come up and you might be tempted to use those, but please don't. Canva does not allow you to use the templates that they have pre-made on their site to sell. So steer away from that. That's why I'm showing you this way to do it, because these are actually able to be used for selling. So I've got my planner named here, and so I want to save it. So I'm going to save it as a PDF print, and then I want to click the flatten PDF because that'll protect all the images and things from being used separately by people and getting me in trouble. And so I want all of the pages, and then I'm going to download. You can choose CMYK or RGB. When I do printables, I use RGB. If you're uploading into KDP, you probably want to use the CMYK. So then we're just going to download. I also wanted to show you, because some of them will come in like a PDF format instead of a Canva template, I want to show you how to pull it in from a PDF as well. And so we're going to go up to Create Design and then Import File. So I want to go to my downloads and I want to find the budget planner folder, and then I'm going to grab the PDF. So this is going to pull it in and it'll show up right here. When it's finished, all this blue line will be filled in. Okay, so I'm going to click on my budget planner. Just give it a second to get everything loaded. Here's the thing though, sometimes when you pull these things in to Canva that are PDFs, the stuff is like all wonky. So you've got to make sure, see, like this is not what it looked like on the other one. Let's go back to the other one and I'll show you. So see, this is what it looked like on the Canva template, and this is what it looks like on the PDF. So I don't really recommend doing this. You can still do it and it still allows you to customize it, but you may have a lot more work to do. You need to really comb over everything and make sure that it's not like crazy looking. It looks like most of the other stuff is fine, just this part got weird. So and I think they may have designed it a little bit differently because they put each month in here, because this is 100 pages, it says. So just be sure to check through and make sure that everything looks good if you use the PDF version. If you're really serious about selling books either on Amazon or printable ones on Etsy, be sure to check out this video right here where I show you how to make coloring books in 3 different ways really easily on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.